Welcome to event number 2 of the last month standing game, the 20th hurdles. You know how the hurdles work? This top 2 will advance out of each heat. So forth. I don't miss anything. I need to explain myself any further. The crowd today wants the Thunderbolts to succeed. They're going to bring up shock for this one. Let's see where they will go. You see our first heat was the Stargazers, Topos, the Rangers, Ice Trippers, who will advance in the first heat. And more! Away to the front! And not having us stay! Ice Trippers and Stargazers. Who know the fans? Very interesting. No one went for the bottom line. I mean, that's a line you don't want to take. But I've got every single captain here. Grass, Disco. Tidal, Buzz Shock. Disco was the front. Grass up in the second right now. And that's having us stay. Thunderbolts will not be advancing. Or will the tidal waves. They will be both. Second last and last. Tidal waves. What's up a good season, but not bad either. Menolano, Quicksilver, Border Chaos, and Hawaiians, and more. And it's gonna be. Oh! Menolano tried, but was denied. I rhymed. Shoot me, please. Now got Neon Porn, Lizard Eyes, Mark Lemon Snowballs. Mark Lemon the fun, Lizard Eyes the second one, but Snowballs! Did the unthinkable. Snowballs, really get in there. But now, Border Chaos, Hawaiians, Snowballs and Mark Lemons, who will win this one? Come on, Snowballs and find it, and Hawaiians the second. Goodbye Border Chaos, goodbye Mount Climbers, Snowballs and Hawaiians. To the final, and they're pretty sure both bottom half teams, so this is going to do splendid for them. Stargate issue. No, Grasshoppers, Tadpoles. I'm ready to support them win. Oh, Grasshoppers, yeah. That's me serve as the nights for them. But hey, Tadpoles. And Disco Balls. Nice, but who will get the gold medal? And more. Who's going to get it? And I will with the Hawaiians. Oh! Snowballs trying to get second, but they are not going to get it. But the Hawaiians will! They get the goal from Tadpoles and the Snowball. This is the great event of the hurdles, everyone. Next event will be the half pipe, but first, the showdown. See, the 20 teams competing for the 12 spots for next season's qualifiers. See for that? Let's see how season 4 will go.